Dito naman tayo guys sa hot selling na phone ng Xiaomi, the Redmi Note 14. I think this is their budget-friendly phone. So, may 8,499. Naka-sale ito ngayon. Meron ding 9,499. Depende yan sa internal storage. Magkaiba yung price. So, ito yung specification niya guys sa Xiaomi. Ito naman yung phone. Plastic pa din yung kanyang made of plastic yung back. Plastic ni sir, no? Ang likod ni sir, no? Plastic, no? Yeah, plastic.
Yes, then fully carbonated.
Fully carbonated. So what's nice about fully carbonated, sir? O sa'y nakanindot pag fully carbonated, sir?
Mas di ko na siya in terms of durability.
Okay, very durable.
Ginagawa sa mga helmet niya.
Okay. Basta fully carbonated. Basta fully carbonated. Ligon, durable yung kanyang case. Maganda siya. So, i-try natin yung camera. Okay? Madali naman gamitin yung Xiaomi, guys. Ang kanilang mga phone. User-friendly naman. So, ito yung kuha ng camera. The main camera. Very clear naman. Malinaw naman. Now, for the front cam, let's check. Oh. 8,499 lang yan, pero tignan nyo, nakakaganda siya, pero hindi masyadong edited yung kuha. Natural pa din. What you see is what is impersonal. Maganda ang Xiaomi in fairness. Highly recommended ko siya guys. If you're looking for an affordable phone and nice camera, try Xiaomi Redmi Note 14. Kaya pala hot selling siya. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng kuha guys. Malinaw. So let's check the video. Sir, ay ma'am. Nani siya video stabilization na. Oh my god. Try to check out guys. May dual video yung kanyang camera feature, and then may video stabilization din yung main camera. Sulit ha for its price na 8,499. So let's check the main camera. Nindot siya no? Nya 8.5 siya ba in fairness niya. So if you're looking for a gift, if you're looking for may bibigyan kayo na pang gift, naghahanap kayo ng mga phone para sa school ninyo, worth to buy ito for me. May video stabilization pa siya guys. Malinaw naman. Maganda din naman yung Xiaomi. Hindi nagpapatalo din ang Xiaomi guys. So ayan, let's check. I-try nyo to guys, Xiaomi. So, tarong mo na to oga ka video test. Kasi hindi maganda yung pagkahawak ko ng phone kanina. So again, check natin. I-try nyo to guys. Maganda siya ha, in fairness. in fairness sa kanya. Tapos 8,500 lang siya. Abi, ang ganda. Try nyo to guys. So, I think this is blue. Blue ito. Ayan, so that's it for the Redmi Note 14. Iconic shots, AI crafted. So, yung gilid, dito naman yung likod. Try to check this out. Very affordable and worth to buy.